Hi, I'm Sean Pat, CEO of Atala Tools and professor at UCLA, where I teach personal finance, entrepreneurship, and portfolio management. Today, I want to talk to you about ETFs or exchange traded funds. The term ETF refers to a basket of securities through which you can make investments, which may include stocks, bonds, gold, or various other assets. It's important to invest according to your unique circumstances. I started using ETFs to manage client portfolios in 2003. At that time, I saw my firm charging clients 3% per year in fees. I knew there had to be a better, more cost-effective solution, and ETFs were the answer. They offered an easy, tax-efficient way to diversify investments while keeping costs low. Today, the largest ETF is SPY, which tracks the S&P 500 and charges an annual expense ratio of 0.95% per year. Vanguard's version of the S&P 500 is VOO and is even more affordable with an expense ratio of just 0.03% per year. You might ask why the difference? Vanguard is a nonprofit. Unlike traditional for-profit firms, Vanguard's structure ensures that unnecessary fees go back into the fund, benefiting investors as annual fees get lower over time as the fund grows. For many investors, VTI is an even better option. By investing in VTI, you're not just buying into the largest 500 companies, but over 3,500 companies across the US. This extensive diversification comes at a very low cost, which only gets lower over time thanks to Vanguard's structure. To help you find other low-cost index funds, I'm excited to introduce the Atala Tools ETF Database. This powerful resource allows you to search and compare ETFs based on various criteria, ensuring you can find the best options to fit your investment goals. Let's explore together. So we open the ETF database. First, let's suppose you want to find a small cap ETF because you have too much large cap exposure. We click to the US Equity tab, and we can scroll down and we come across VXF, a US small mid-core ETF. We click on the little link here, and this pulls up Vanguard's website. Now, here we can learn more about this mid and small cap ETF that complements the S&P 500. Next, let's suppose you want to invest in energy companies, but you want to stay diversified. We click over to the sector-specific equity tab, scroll down, and we come across XLE, an energy ETF. We click on the link and accept the cookies, and it brings up State Street's website. Now we can learn more about this sector ETF and the companies that are inside it. Lastly, let's suppose you're looking to add some foreign equity exposure, but you want to be country specific. We can click on the country specific tab, scroll down, and we come across EWJ, a Japan ETF. We click on the link here, and it brings us to iShares' website, where we can learn more about this ETF and the holdings inside of it. Now remember, finding ETFs is easy, but investing is not. Investing should always be done according to your personal life situation and risk tolerance. If you need the help and can't do it yourself, find a good financial advisor.